Okay, in this question, it says a company produces apples and bananas and sells them. The cost of production of X pounds of apples and Y pounds of bananas. So Y is related to bananas and X to apples. And this is the cost. You give it how many bananas, how many apples, and it gives you the cost. Okay, and the revenue from selling X pounds of apples and Y pounds of bananas is given here. That's the revenue. And the question is calculate the profit of the company if it gets an order of 150 pounds of apples and 200 pounds of bananas. So remember, X is for pounds and Y is for X is for apples and Y is for bananas, the number of pounds of each. So now the profit function is P of XY. This here is a function of two variables, and you know the profit is always the revenue minus the cost. And now you just write the revenue function as it's given to you, 0.05 x squared plus 0.1 xy plus 0.07 y squared. This is the revenue minus the cost is 15x plus 20y. Okay, and when you do this subtraction, you can write it in this order, 0.05 x squared, then you put the thing that has x, so minus 15x, plus, then you put the thing with x and y, then the thing with y, minus 20y, and finally the thing with y squared, 0.07 y squared. Okay, just to put the x's near each other and the y's near each other. You can say like, now I have the x's on this side and then the y's on that side, kind of. Just, it's a way of ordering it. Even if you don't do it, you still will get the question correct. And so now they're asking you, if we order 150 pounds of apples and 200 pounds of bananas, then what would the profit be? So all what you have to do is replace them in this formula. So replace them here. For x, you replace it 3 times, and this 200, you replace it for y. So that's what I will do exactly right now in the calculator. Okay, so let's first enter the formula. 0.05 x squared, so something squared. I will not put x, so minus 15x, so I put just parentheses, plus 0.1 xy, 2 parentheses, minus 20y, plus 0.07 y squared. And now I know that I will replace y by 200. I'll replace it from now. I'll do backward, so here I'll put the y's, and now the x's. We will have, if we go back to the beginning of the formula, we'll have to put the 150 in 3 places here in the formula. Equals 675. So this will be 675 dirhams will be the profit